Hi, I'm Adam Kroll, and this is Engineering and Related Technology. This program provides college-bound students with the education and training they need in the software that is used in the industry and in colleges. This is AJ. He's a 200 level student, and what he has here is a marble sorter. This is one of our big projects for the 200 level. I'll let him explain.
This is a marble sorter. It's made using Fisher Technic building blocks. They are a building block similar to Legos, but they also have metal pieces as well. The marble sorter simulates a waste management facility. What it does is it uses a hopper as well as a light sensor to tell the color of the marble in such a way that a recycling plant will tell whether it's a metal or a plastic as well as paper. And it will then use that to sort the marble into different bins relating to the color of the marble. And it's a very difficult project, and it's one of the major projects for the 200 level of the class.
This is Jeff Witt. He's one of our seniors, and he's working on the go-kart, which is one of our 300 level projects. I'll let him explain.
The ultimate goal of this project is to transform an electric go-kart into a remote control robot. Teamwork skills can be developed greatly with this project because we have to learn how to work together, as each person has a responsibility to complete the main goal of the project. We have different group meetings where we discuss problems that we have with the project, so each person can give their consensus to what they think we should do with the project.
This is one of our group meetings for the go-kart. Our team leader, Brendan McCandless, up there, will be explaining more about it.
Although Mr. Roberts, who is our teacher, may be the mentor of the project, we are still responsible for the outcome of the final product. We're working on a go-kart. This is one of our team meetings where we gather and discuss how our project's going and discuss some of the problems or issues that we might be having. Also, it allows us to bring together the project from part to part that everybody's working on. As you can see, Tyler over here is working on drawing the parts on a computer. Someone else might be working on electrical, someone might be working on mechanical, and it won't all come together until we gather and discuss what everybody's working on. We're required to keep a journal of the steps we take to build the go-kart. Also, we find the ultimate cost of our final product. We make a PowerPoint to present to the class about our go-kart. We write a report, and then we go watch the go-kart work.
This is Brendan McCandless and James Kane. They're working on their patent search project. They had the idea for the lighted passageway. What they're doing now is researching to make sure that no one else has already patented the idea so that they wouldn't infringe on any patent rights. We gain experience through our trainers and our computers, both on the CAD programs and using tools of the trade. Next, I'd like to introduce you to our instructor, Mr. Roberts.
My name's Alan Roberts. I'm the instructor here for engineering-related technologies. I believe Adam took you guys around to show you different activities in the classroom and what we do here. But I think one of the things everybody noticed was that everybody has a lab coat on that says ERT, Engineering Related Technology. The interesting thing about this lab coat is that everyone here, or the students here, had an opportunity to help design the logo, and it was taken advantage of. Students in this class designed the logo for their own class activities. So we have a rubrics cube, which we do a big project with that, as well as rockets. So in going around the class, I think you've noticed all the different activities that we do here, and the students work on different things at different times. The uniqueness of engineering is that you use your thinking ability to help you create your own projects. You're always working on 3 to 5 things at a time, and many of the times you come up with your own ideas to work on. Yeah, true, we do have textbooks to go through and tests to go through and grades you get, but the majority of the work you do work and you do create different items, such as the go-kart, which wasn't in any program, but students came to me and said, hey, Mr. Roberts, we have an idea to make this robotic type go-kart. And I said, hey, that's a pretty good idea, and it was justified. We did that. Every week, everyone gets a copy of the activities we're going to do for the week, so there's no surprises. Everybody has a general idea, and included in this is free time to create your activities along with the grades that you might get from the activities that are planned. So if you're interested in coming up here, by all means, come on in, make an appointment with myself or our guidance counselor, and I'm more than happy to talk to you about your enrollment in our class. Thanks a lot.